Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of KTTA, a NASDAQ-listed stock that has recently captured the attention of traders and investors alike. In this video, we'll break down KTTA's current technical posture as of November 30, 2025, using objective market data. Our goal is to provide a clear, data-driven perspective on KTTA's potential price movements by examining four critical domains: trend, momentum, volatility, and volume. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these indicators can help you make more informed decisions. Let's set the stage by reviewing KTTA's recent market activity and key trading levels. To understand KTTA's current position, it's essential to look at the recent market snapshot. The stock's 52-week high stands at $3.85, while the 52-week low is 0.281. The current price is $1.47, with a pivot point at $1.62. Support and resistance levels are set at $1.19 and $1.91, respectively. What's truly remarkable is the recent surge in price, from 0.292 on November 21 to $1.47 on November 28, representing a staggering 403% increase in just 1 week. This explosive move was accompanied by a dramatic spike in trading volume, signaling heightened market interest and volatility. KTTA's recent price action has been nothing short of dramatic. In just a few trading days, the stock soared from 0.292 to $1.47, catching the eye of both retail and institutional investors. This parabolic rise is not only rare, but also sets a new context for technical analysis. Such rapid appreciation often leads to increased speculation and can attract momentum traders looking to capitalize on short-term gains. However, it also raises questions about the sustainability of the move and the underlying strength of the trend. Let's now examine the technical indicators that shed light on this powerful surge. Moving averages are a cornerstone of technical analysis, helping to smooth out price data and reveal the underlying trend. For KTTA, the current price of $1.47 is well above all key moving averages: the 20-day SMA at 0.706, the 50-day SMA at 0.732, and the 200-day EMA at $1.29. This alignment is a classic signal of a strong bullish trend across both short-term and long-term timeframes. When the price sits above these averages, it indicates that buyers are firmly in control and that the uptrend is well established. To further quantify the trend's strength, we turn to the Directional Movement Index, DMI, and the Arun indicator. The average directional index, ADX14, stands at 30.54, which is well above the threshold of 25, confirming a strong trend. The positive directional indicator, plus DI14, is at 57.17, while the negative directional indicator, minus DI14, is at 12.75. This wide spread highlights the dominance of bullish momentum. The Arun up value is at 100, indicating a recent new high, while the Arun down at 84 suggests a recent end to the prior downtrend. Together, these indicators point to a sharp and powerful trend reversal. The parabolic stop and reverse, PSAR, indicator provides another layer of confirmation for KTTA's bullish trend. The PSAR dot is currently at 0.302, which is far below the current price of $1.47. This configuration strongly validates the ongoing upward momentum, as the PSAR is widely used by traders to identify trend direction and potential reversal points. When the price remains above the PSAR, it's a clear sign that the bullish trend is intact and likely to continue unless a significant reversal occurs. Bringing together the moving averages, DMI, Arun, and PSAR indicators, we see a consistent picture. KTTA is in the midst of a powerful upward trend. The alignment of these technical signals across multiple timeframes and methodologies provides robust evidence that the current rally is supported by strong underlying momentum. However, it's important to remain vigilant for signs of exhaustion or reversal, especially after such a rapid ascent. Next, we'll shift our focus to the momentum indicators, to assess the velocity of this move. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a widely used momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. KTTA's 14-period RSI currently stands at 75.89, placing it firmly in the overbought territory above the 70 level. This high reading reflects intense buying pressure and suggests that the recent price advance has been both rapid and forceful. While a high RSI is a sign of strength, it can also indicate that the stock may be due for a period of consolidation or a short-term pullback as buyers become exhausted. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, indicator offers another perspective on momentum. For KTTA, the MACD line is at 0.034, positioned above its signal line at -0.031, and the MACD histogram is positive at 0.065. This configuration is a classic bullish momentum signal, indicating that the recent upward price movement is not only strong but also accelerating. Traders often look for this alignment as a sign that the uptrend has further room to run, though it's wise to watch for any signs of divergence or weakening momentum. The stochastic RSI oscillator is another tool for gauging momentum and potential overbought conditions. KTTA's stochastic RSI K-line is at its maximum value of 100, underscoring the extreme strength of the recent rally. Such a high reading is rare and typically signals that the stock is in an overbought state, which could precede a period of sideways movement or a short-term correction. It's important for traders to recognize that while momentum is strong, risk of a pullback increases as these indicators reach their upper limits. The Commodity Channel Index, CCI, is designed to identify cyclical trends in a stock's price. For KTTA, the CCI 20 is at an exceptionally high value of 406.28, far above the plus 100 threshold that typically signals an overbought condition. This extreme reading suggests that the price has moved substantially beyond its recent statistical average, reinforcing the idea that the current rally is both powerful and potentially overextended. Such levels often precede a cooling-off period or a retracement as the market digests the rapid gains. In summary, KTTA's momentum indicators, RSI, MACD, stochastic RSI, and CCI, all point to a market that is not only trending strongly upward, but is also in an overbought state. While this reflects robust buying interest and a powerful rally, it also increases the likelihood of heightened volatility and potential short-term corrections. Traders should be aware that such extreme momentum readings often precede periods of consolidation or pullback as the market seeks equilibrium. With momentum indicators showing extreme readings, it's natural to expect an increase in volatility. Volatility measures the degree of price fluctuation over a given period and is a key factor in assessing risk. In the case of KTTA, the recent parabolic price movement has likely led to a significant uptick in volatility, making it crucial for traders to manage their risk appropriately. Next, we'll explore the specific volatility indicators and what they reveal about KTTA's current risk profile. Volatility indicators such as average true range, ATR, and Bollinger Bands help traders gauge the magnitude of recent price swings. When a stock experiences a sharp rally like KTTA, these indicators typically expand, reflecting the increased uncertainty and risk. Wide Bollinger Bands and a rising ATR signal that price movements are larger than usual, which can lead to both greater profit opportunities and higher risk of sudden reversals. Monitoring these indicators is essential for adjusting position sizes and setting stop-loss levels. Volume is often described as the fuel that powers price movements. In KTTA's case, the recent rally was accompanied by a dramatic surge in trading volume, with dollar volume reaching $244 million. This spike in volume confirms the legitimacy of the price move, as it indicates strong participation from both buyers and sellers. High volume during an uptrend is a positive sign, suggesting that the rally is supported by genuine market interest rather than just speculative activity. Support and resistance levels are critical for identifying potential turning points in a stock's price. For KTTA, the nearest support is at $1.19, while resistance is at $1.91. The pivot point sits at $1.62, serving as a key reference for traders. These levels are especially important after such a rapid price increase, as they can act as magnets for price action or barriers that trigger reversals. Monitoring how KTTA behaves around these levels can provide valuable clues about the next phase of its trend. Given the heightened volatility and overbought conditions, risk management becomes paramount. Traders should consider using stop-loss orders and position sizing strategies to protect against sudden reversals. The combination of strong momentum and increased volatility means that price swings can be both swift and severe. By staying disciplined and adhering to a well-defined trading plan, investors can navigate the risks while taking advantage of potential opportunities. Looking forward, KTTA faces several possible scenarios. If the bullish momentum continues, the stock could challenge the next resistance level at $1.91 and potentially aim for the 52-week high of $3.85. Alternatively, if overbought conditions trigger a pullback, the price may test support at $1.19 or consolidate around the pivot point. Monitoring technical indicators and market sentiment will be crucial in anticipating which scenario unfolds. To summarize, KTTA's technical picture is defined by a powerful uptrend, extreme momentum, heightened volatility, and strong volume. While the current rally is impressive, traders should be mindful of the risks associated with overbought conditions and rapid price swings. Support and resistance levels, along with disciplined risk management, will be essential tools for navigating the next phase of KTTA's price action. Technical analysis is the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to forecast future price movements. It relies on chart patterns, indicators, and statistical measures to identify trends, momentum, and potential reversal points. Unlike fundamental analysis, which focuses on a company's financial health, technical analysis is concerned with market psychology and price action. It's a vital tool for traders seeking to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. As we wrap up this technical analysis of KTTA, it's clear that the stock is at a pivotal moment. The explosive rally, supported by strong technical indicators, suggests further upside is possible, but the risks of a pullback or consolidation are equally real. Staying informed, monitoring key levels, and practicing sound risk management will be crucial for anyone trading or investing in KTTA. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into KTTA's technical landscape.